Sawadee krab! Hello students! How are you today? I am teacher Danielle and today our subject is English. So our lesson for today is, this is actually the continuation of lessons 1 to 4. So we're now on lesson 5. So this is the review of unit 5. Okay? So we're going to end the lesson 5 with a quiz. So there will be 10 questions for this quiz. So let's try to gauge your knowledge on how much you've learned on Unit 5. Are you guys ready? I'm ready. Let's do this. Okay, for number 1, the question is, what is she feeling? What is she feeling? She is excited. She is embarrassed. She is bored. What do you think is the right answer? The right answer is A. She is excited. So did you guys get that correctly? Okay, let's move on to the second question. What is he feeling? What is he feeling? He is embarrassed. He is interested. He is bored. What do you think is the right answer? Let's find out. The answer is letter C. He is bored. He is bored. Did you guys get that correctly? Now let's move on to the third question. What is she feeling? What is she feeling? She is embarrassed. She is interested. She is bored. What do you think is the right answer? The right answer is letter A. She is embarrassed. Embarrassed. Did you get that correctly? Now let's move on to the fourth question. Which preposition is this? So there is a ball and the basketball ring. So the sentence goes like this. The ball goes blank the ring. What do you think is the correct preposition? Is it A? The ball goes through the ring. Is it B? The ball goes around the ring. Or C? The ball goes over the ring. What do you think is the right answer? The right answer is letter A. The ball goes through the ring. Through the ring. Okay? Did you get that correctly? Now let's move on to the fifth question. Which preposition is this? A fish and the water. And the sentence goes like this. The fish wants to get blank the water. The fish wants to get blank the water. Is it A? The fish wants to get through the water. Is it B? The fish wants to get into the water. Or is it C? The fish wants to get out of the water. What do you think is the right answer? The right answer is letter C. The fish wants to get out of the water. Wants off the water. Now let's move on to the next question. Which preposition is this? I want to meet people blank the world. I want to meet people blank the world. What do you think is the right answer? Is it A? I want to meet people around the world. Or B? I want to meet people under the world. Or is it C? I want to meet people over the world. What do you think is the right answer? The correct answer is letter A, around. I want to meet people around the world. Did you get it correctly? Now let's move on to the seventh question. What did she do? The girl here is it A, she downloaded pictures? B, she listened to music? Or is it C, she practiced the violin? What do you think is the right answer? The correct answer is letter B. She listened to music. She listened to music. Did you get it correctly? Okay, good if you did. Now let's move on to the eighth question. What did they do? So there are two guys what are they doing? Is it A, they downloaded pictures? B, they watched a baseball game? C, they played a board game? What do you think is the right answer? The right answer is letter C. They played a board game. So this is the board game. They are playing the board game. Okay, ninth question. What did he do? A boy here is it A, he practiced the violin? Is it B, he watched a baseball game? Is it C, he listened to music? What do you think is the correct answer? The correct answer is letter A. He practiced the violin. He practiced the violin. Did you get that correctly? All good if you did. Now let's move on to the last question. What did they do? So a group of friends, is it A, they played a board game? B, they watched a baseball game? Is it C, they played the violin? What do you think is the right answer? The correct answer is letter B. They watch a baseball game. They watch a baseball game. So a group of friends here are watching baseball game on live TV. Okay? All right. So how was your score, guys? So this is the end of the quiz. So how was your score, guys? Did you get 10 points? Did you get 9, 8, 7, or 6 points? If you get 6 and above, if you get 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10, then you pass this exam. If you get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 points, then you need to study harder. Okay? Alright, so this is the end of lesson 5. So I hope you guys learned something for today. So this is the last lesson we have for this week's topic, which is all about the review of Unit 5. So until then, goodbye and have a great day. Bye bye.